Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi. Dear students, I hope all of you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am also well. Welcome to our online platform of NAVS Home School. Here I am Muhammad Faruk Hossain, Assistant English Teacher of National Ideal English Version School. And now I am going to conduct an English class for the students of class 6, and it's about your 4th week's assignment number 2. Okay, assignment number 2 discussion. Lesson number 9, and its submission date is 12 March 2022. Dear students, this assignment is too much easy because you will have to just do two things. So let's try to read it first. Class 6 4th week assignment English, and assignment number 2, assignment with the title. Dear students, this is the title. Paper presentation on 4 beautiful or historical places in my district. This would be your title. At the cover page, you will have to write title. So you will write at the place of title, you will write paper presentation, then all things. Title finished. Then learning outcomes or content. Student will be able to describe pictures and places. Write short paragraphs. That means you will have to show pictures and you must have to describe it. Okay. Then guidelines for writing the assignment. What would be its guideline? Discuss with your family members with the most beautiful historical places of your district. Now, take 4 pieces of A4 size papers and make 4 separate paper presentations on 4 most beautiful historical places of your district. Collect each of the pictures from the internet or the newspaper or sketch those pictures by yourselves. To prepare the paper, sketch the picture on the top, write name of the place, then write a paragraph about the place. Each paragraph will contain not more than 50 words. In your paragraph, you have to mention location and why is it famous for. Dear students, this topic is too much easy. Okay? And these are not for you, it's for us. Imagine that this is a page and it must be A4 size paper, okay? A4 size paper. This page should be A4 size paper. First of all, you have to decide you will give which place or which beautiful site. I will suggest you to give 2 beautiful places and 2 historical places. Imagine that although it's Dhaka, so you may write about Lal Bagh Killa. So if you decide to write about Lal Bagh Killa, so first of all you have to attach, you will give one number like this, then you will attach a picture of Lal Bagh Killa here and write picture, then Lal Bagh Killa. Then you will write here Lal Bagh Killa, then write all about Lal Bagh Killa, and it would be not more than 50 words. That means if you attach the picture in one page, on another page you can write the description of that historical or beautiful places. I think it's clear. And another historical place of our Dhaka city is maybe Assignment-2. So for that case it also would be same, Assignment-2. So picture Hossain Munzil, then write here Hossain Munzil as title, then write the paragraph. You know that at the time of writing paragraph, you are not allowed to write allowed to give any para. Okay. After writing all these two, you can write about any beautiful places. Imagine that you may write about the Sohrabdi Udyan or National Zoo. I like this Sohrabdi Udyan. Sohrabdi Udyan. Then you will write Sohrabdi Udyan here again as the title. Then write about Sohrabdi Udyan. Dear students, you will do then number 1, 2, 3 and 4. I will suggest you to give the description of 2 beautiful sites and 2 historical sites. Or if you can't do any distinguish between the beautiful site and the historical site, then you may do whatever you like. That means you have to sketch or attach a picture regarding that historical place or that beautiful place, and after adding or after attaching the picture of that site, you have to describe it within 50 words. Okay, and I hope it would be very much easier to you to complete it. And this is the end of this assignments class. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.